Hi, let's see if we can make art with bubbles or bubble art, or, we're going to draw bubbles. And I think this time we'll use Crayola markers. I've chosen some colors of my Crayola markers, and I have a sheet of watercolor paper and a small round brush. Because Crayola markers are water-based, the ink from the marker can be moved with water and a brush. I'll start by tracing around round items that I have found in the house. And these are going to create the size and shapes of my bubble. And then we'll move the ink with the water. I'm going to take my wet brush and just stay in a circular motion inside the circle. You don't want to go back and forth because that's going to flatten your bubble. And all you're going to have is a flat circle. I'm going to stay in a circular motion inside and just move that ink around a little bit and leave the middle of your bubble free. You can play around with the color combinations, and when you feel confident, just draw your own circles. You don't have to trace them. And then you can even layer bubbles and layer circles. No two bubbles are just alike. They are all unique. Don't worry if your bubbles if the ink runs together inside another bubble. Let's just start. We're just playing around with some creativity. What makes the bubbles beautiful is the light reflecting off of them, causing all those little different colors and sparkles that we all enjoy. We hope this art lesson reminds you that you're like a bubble. We're all like bubbles. We're different from one another and unique, but beautiful when we reflect God's light. Now go make some art today. Make some bubbles. And most importantly, forget not the Lord.